APGE Stock Wednesday. In this 1 minute video, I'm talking technical analysis and price predictions on APGE Therapeutic stock next. So we're sitting at $60.67. 45% off for the day is good. For more context, though, I'm using a strategy and system that has previously delivered thousands of wins only 2023. And the main reason of me telling you this because that is the truth. Now, with APGE stock for the week, we're 61% up so far. That's good, crazy, right? Good amount. Uh, and also we're in a very beautiful bullish trend, so that's like a win-win at the moment. But it's at the top. Like here's the deal: I don't get at the tops at all, right? Only get in on pullbacks, and in this situation, although I'm relatively bullish, right, I'm still expecting new highs to be made. The only approach that I would have here is if the price at least pulls back into this demand area and starts giving me the rules here, and that's that, right? Nothing else. So that's the approach that I have. Obviously, only bullish if the price pulls back and gives me the rules. So keeping you updated for that. For more volume, you can check out the free newsletter articles below. This is pretty much everything I've learned over the last 4 years, 17,500 plus videos that I made. So just trying to put out a lot of value there for free.